Hey there, Sherry here. Welcome to 2 on Tuesday. Each week I share a powerful 2-minute tip that when implemented in your business will have a dramatic impact on your productivity, your revenue, and the ease and success you enjoy. Today I want to show you how to install your Facebook Pixel to your web pages and your landing pages. If you missed last week's 2 on Tuesday, we created your Pixel last week. So let's start by loading your Pixel onto your WordPress site. Let's head over to my desktop. Okay, we're here on my desktop. Last week, you might remember that we set up the test pixel for my Results Partner account. And if you missed that 2 on Tuesday, please go back and watch it now. Now today what we want to do is actually install this pixel on your website and your landing pages. So we're going to go over here to this Events Manager, and we're going to open an Events Manager so we can get access to setting up that pixel. And it's going to open up a page that will say there's no recent activity because we haven't fully set up this pixel yet. We haven't created the actual code to go with it. So we're going to click on Setup Code, and it's going to give us 3 options here. Typically, you're going to use this middle option where you're actually installing the code yourself on your WordPress site or a ClickFunnels or a lead page that you've created. If you do have a developer, you may email instructions to them, but usually you're going to be using this second option. So I'm going to click on that. It's basically going to give us the code that we want to put on the website where we want to install the pixel. So we're going to go to number 2 here because we're going to copy the entire pixel code and put it in our website header. So if you click on Copy Code to Clipboard, you'll have it saved to paste. Go ahead and hit Continue. Now Facebook needs to know that you've installed this code somewhere to actually activate the pixel. So we're going to go to your WordPress site. So I've logged in here to my WordPress site for my Results Partner website, and we're going to go to Settings. Now this might look slightly different depending on the theme that you have installed, but usually headers and footers are under Settings. And you're going to click on Insert Headers and Footers. Now you'll see that I already have the Facebook Pixel code in here, but basically all you're going to do is you're going to go to this header, and you're going to put your cursor at the top of the header, and you're going to hit Paste, and it's going to load this Facebook code into the header of your website. And then when you hit Save, you will have actually installed the code on your website. Now this is going to install it on every page of your website, which is what I definitely recommend. Once you've done that, you can also insert the code on landing pages that you've created. So for instance, let's go now to my Lead Pages account. So I'm here in my Lead Pages account. You'll simply open whatever lead page it is that you want to add the tracking code to, and in the tracking, click on Analytics, and then paste your Facebook code in this head section tracking code. Just copy anything if there's anything there, and paste that code that you just copied from your Facebook account. And make sure that you update to make sure it saves that in your Lead Pages account. In ClickFunnels, you'll simply open whatever funnel you want to add the Facebook tracking code to, click on Settings, and then in the head tracking code, this is where you'll actually paste that copy that you just copied from Facebook. Make sure you hit Save Funnel clear at the bottom. Save and update settings so that you save that to this funnel. You do need to add it for each funnel, but in ClickFunnels, you don't need to add it to each page. And there you go. You've now installed your Facebook Pixel on your website and some landing pages. Next week, we'll look at how you can use a tool to make sure that the Facebook Pixel is actually working. That's it for this week's 2 on Tuesday. I'll see you next week.